Okay, let me first welcome you, Guneet. It was
Hi.
wonderful to see you.
Very
I know
nice.
people were asking you about, how you've been in Hyderabad, but I want to know when you get a flight ticket in your hand, oh God, I have to go to Hyderabad, what I need to pick. Is it something come first thing in your mind?
What I need to pick
Yeah,
means?
from Hyderabad.
Oh, I actually don't know what I need to pick, but I'm excited for food
Hmm.
and for a bunch of amazing people that I'm meeting. So, and I was so excited for this event. So, yeah,
It was a long years, like I think long back you came here. I mean, you've been coming here. Anything you remember?
I just remember the food. I'm such a foodie.
No, but it's long way. I mean, the first visit, I think so
No,
many
no,
visits will be there.
I was here last week. I come often.
Only last week, not
Yeah.
before that. In 10 years, 15 years, you see a change in the infrastructure or change in the
Definitely.
city.
Definitely. The city is grown and is growing so much. Yeah. And
It's
of
good.
course, the cinema has grown here.
But
So,
Puneet, people know you for picking up that concept we're always talking about. When people look for commercial cinema, you are the one who's talking about the documentary when it was not being taken care of much. You actually given a oxygen. What was going in your mind, when people have criticism to you or a struggle, I wanted to know, no, I will do it. Or एक होता है ना, एक backup में कि नहीं यार, this will not work, but it gone like. What your intuitions works in that era?
you can never design a project for an award. You can only make the best film and show up with intention every day, and awards happen in life. आप ऐसे सोच कर नहीं बनाते हो for awards. I'm very grateful that Oscars has happened in life. We were nominated this year for a film called Anuja. We did not win. Couple of years ago for Elephant Whisperers we did win. um, you know
But why always documentary? It was always a cup of tea. As you're a lover of DDLJ,
no,
full romantic cinema.
actually, I felt like a film like Lunchbox should have also been India's entry to the
Yes.
Oscar, and that you don't have a control over.
Mm.
So that there is a different way of selection of that. But documentaries, one is able to. There's a direct way of submission, and so somehow some of our documentaries have traveled. But I don't really only make documentaries. I make feature films, fiction
Yeah.
feature films, and that's what I largely do. But yeah, I've been known for my documentaries also,
You've
and
given oxygen to documentary, I must say.
I'm glad. I hope more and more people make it. There is an incredible um, ecosystem of filmmakers like Shaunak Sane who are making incredible documentaries in India, and they deserve more light and love and power.
And I wanted to share that feelings. And if you can go back to that Oscars where Rajmouli sir was there, Junior and Ramcharan, I was seeing some of the videos where you all are interacting. So some of the things you can just reveal. The memories are back.
Yeah, I actually met the entire RRR team, which was incredible right before the Oscar started. And we were all walking the red carpet together. We were all near the red carpet area, and that's where I was able to meet everybody. And it was amazing to meet everybody with their families and share. Just be proud of each other that we are here in a different land from the same country, sharing space, shining light. And it was incredible. I was in touch with Kartikeya throughout the campaign. They were trying to help us. We were all in touch. So it's I think a circle of kindness.
Any interaction you can share with Rajmouli Garu and Junior NTR Garu and Ramcharan sir?
I was just happy to get pictures, but I've actually had a lot of conversation with Rajamouli sir's son, who's one of the producers.
Yes.
With Kartikeya, so the my interactions were all logistics.
Okay.
There
They,
was
they gave you
nothing.
compliments or you were giving compliments. I know first thing
We were all very excited for the campaign because it was like a couple of months of campaign in America, and everybody was just there for each other. So that is important. And then I was in the flight back with MM Kirmani sir. So it was quite nice. We were all in the flight, so it was lovely.
So can we see in the future collaborations with Rajmouli Garu Junior and T.N. Allu? I mean, sorry, other Allu Arjun also, Prabhas. There are also many things.
Ramcharan, if you're
Ramcharan,
listening,
yeah.
why not? Why not? I hope if there is something that I can add value in with my years of experience and learning, I'd love to. Why not? It's a matter of time.
But you already started your journey in South India and Tamil movies with Surya. If you can elaborate more on that.
It was incredible working with Surya sir on Suryarari Potru with Sudha, the director, and I was very excited to work with a woman director, and we had the best time. Of course, the best food, and we had the best time with the whole team there. And I'm just glad that film, was received so well. So when you enter a new market, you're always, nervous about an association. You're always, but yeah, I'm glad the script and all our work added up.
What are your three favorite Telugu movies you have watched in your free time and enjoyed?
Uh,
If you can name
I
them.
have actually just recently watched Devra.
Okay.
Of course, I love RRR,
Hmm.
and of course, I love Bahubali.
Hmm.
I love all of Rajamouli sir's. I love Iga. I love all of Rajamouli sir's work.
And I can see one thing more as a woman entrepreneur, leadership quality. You're married. You're in the new era of life where people say, "Oh, you should take care of your house. You should see that." But you are balancing everything. I've seen some of your video. You're having a great chemistry with your mother-in-law. I must say. Oh, I mean, and your husband is always supportive. I just saw him. So if he can join us, that will be great inspiration. Okay. So, but how you're managing and how you take this message to other women?
I think they are managing.
Okay.
I'm just living my life. I think
Okay.
everybody around is managing.
Okay.
Why do I have to always manage? I think I'm very
Great.
happy doing what I'm doing, and there's a lot of love and supportive. It's a beautiful, supportive family that I'm very, very grateful for, and I'm obsessed with my mother-in-law
Mhm. Okay.
and the family. I'm glad to have a family, So yeah, it's a
So, what are
loving,
the
beautiful
future
family.
projects, and we can see you more doing it?
We have an action spy comedy coming up with Ayushmann Khurrana, Sara Ali
Mhm.
Khan, Akash Kaushik directing, first time director. And we have a documentary that we are building and making, and lots of more films.
We want to know Guneet Monga, always known as a powerful. What we say, I'm not getting that, but you're a powerful woman. Any regrets of her life?
Um,
A powerful woman have a regrets in life.
no, I just wish I mean, it's not a regret, but it's life. I just wish my parents were around to see all the success. But outside of that, no, I own up to my mistakes. And move forward
That's
if
it.
there are any.
I know you've been inspirational. So I just want all the girls there, women there who are watching you and always get inspired by you. What are you gonna tell them?
Just like I said this on the Oscar stage, don't
Hmm.
wait for a seat on the table, create your own table and sit on it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you so much,
Thank
Guneet,
you.
talking to us.
Thank you.